And in today's video we're going to test Sony Xperia 1-6 camera. By the way, it has a magnet on the back. I'm not sure why, but that will be in the full review. With the new Xperia there is no free apps like in the previous versions. There's only a dedicated microphone app, video creator and the camera. And by the way, in the video and in the photo, during the recording in the video, it's zooming by itself. It's automated. If you tap twice, you can do it manually, but that is super weird and cool at the same time. This smartphone can record all the way to 4K 120 frames per second, but for the purpose of this video we're not 4K 60. Wide angle lens, commenting what I see on the smartphone screen, and screen looks a bit glitchy like it was in 30. But anyway, this is wide angle. Overexposing the sky. I have to watch out for the landmines. Ooh, it's nasty. Next, wide angle. This smartphone is extremely, never mind, extremely light. It's so light, it feels like fake. It feels like just a piece of plastic. But it looks nice. This is wide angle lens. Alright. It's time for telephoto. It's 1x. 2x, 3.5x, 7.1. Is that it? Okay, let's go back. I have to tap it twice to have a manual control on the zoom. That was electronic zoom. I mean, controlled by the smartphone. And if you tap it twice, you can go further, all the way to 21x. 21.1. Can you read what's on that sign? Probably not, because it's not in English. Barely. Can you read the license plate? Not really. Alright. And smooth. I mean, it's too long. 21. You have to like swap it a couple of times on the screen, and it's really hard to make that smooth video. Maybe I have to learn how to do it. Maybe it's the user, not the device itself. Anyway, wide angle lens. Autofocus is available. That's great. Why do you need autofocus for the wide angle lens? I will add some noise cancellation because you're like, why do you need autofocus? To have a beautiful close-up, just like that. Without it, it'll be blurry. Holy smoke, it's not blurry, even with the main lens. Really? In main lens, you can go so close? Now that's unusual for the main lens to get so close to the subject. That's very unusual. So from the main lens, I think that's the first smartphone which could do that. This is how it looks like from the main lens. Bokeh effect. Impressive. Very impressive. Wow. Alright. Autofocus. Quick. Telephoto. Quick. 3.5. Also available in 7.1. Yeah, it is available. Okay, let me go back. Going back by itself. Alright. Can we switch to the front facing camera during the recording? No, we can pause the video, but not the switch. And we are back to the front-facing camera. I like the dedicated shutter button. Full length of my arm, 4K 60. Is it going to overexpose sky? No, it is not overexposing the sky. But it's not brightening up my face also. So my face is a little bit dark. No, yeah, it's not overexposing the sky at all. That's unusual for the smartphones. Most of them are like brighten up everything. Wow, Sony. It's different. All right. So it's full length of my arm. No autofocus in front facing camera. Okay, it's not too wide. Oh, the amount of noise in this area. I think I have to switch the area to test those smartphones. It's too noisy. Ah, that is looking awesome. And the question is, what else do we have in this smartphone? So, what else? We do have a Pro option and manual mode. So you can basically do whatever you want. And now the bokeh effect. Bokeh effect will like a beautiful bokeh behind the subject. It doesn't have to be human. It could be whatever you like. At least in theory. Is it? Oh yeah. Bam, just like that. And they should came out really good. Alright. Alright, so that's the bokeh for you. We do have photo, and in the photo department. Oh, it's very nice weather. Like you can see, we can zoom all the way to 7x. If we tap twice, we can go further. A little bit blurry. Not bad. Not bad at all. Front facing camera. Alright, alright. Tracking my face nicely. Of course, we can switch to 16:9, 1:1. It's a very nice shortcut, and the whole menu. If we go to the whole menu, pause the video if you want to read those. Let's go back. Let's go back to the video. Like I said, 4K 60 and 4K 24 and 4K 30. There's also a full HD, but and HD, but no one will use it. Yeah, the switch is close to the camera lens. We do have filters, natural, which doesn't look natural at all. Vivid, film, nostalgia, bright, and Cinetone. Of course, you can create your own and stuff like that. That's for the video. And all right, there's also a slow, which is slow motion in 4K. It's super cool. We do have standard filters like in the previous and more. Telephoto macro. Telephoto macro. Well, let's find something. Telephoto macro. Okay. Am I too close? Man, this is weird. Some weird stuff. Bam! I like the dedicated shutter on the top of the smartphone. We do have some settings. Let's go back. Too many features. Book a video, live stream. Telephoto macro. Okay, book a video. That is super cool. It will imitate the bokeh. Let me hit. It will imitate the full frame camera, so my face should be in focus and everything like in the full frame camera. All right. Okay, let me show you some samples for photo. Do remember there'll be a link in the description for you for the original samples to download without any compression. I have to apologize for the audio during the screen recording. I didn't know it would be so terrible. I didn't bring the proper microphone with me. That's my fault. Sorry for that, but it is what it is. By the way, photos, over sharpening the image. Well, you could clearly see this is a photo from smartphone. It's so sharp. It's too sharp. Landscapes, a bit better. Macro, too much bokeh. You see, it's cutting the piece of the ice cream right there. I don't know. You see, it all depends on the light conditions. It's still over sharpening the image, but the zoom, it's okay. I mean, this one looks pretty good. It was all shot with a manual, with a auto mode. This one with a blur effect. And it cut out really, really nice. Look at the bokeh all around the saddle. I can see a little bit in there, but other than that, it's great. And this is the high-res photo. We can zoom.
Okay, 48 megapixels, also selfie. Nice, really nice. But with the low light conditions, no. But the question is it oversaturating the image or undersaturating the image? That pepper was a little bit more red, so it's undersaturating the image and definitely over-sharpening the image. It was a little bit dark already, but still, it's okay, I guess. There'll be a link in the description for original samples. Damn, you see, it all depends on the light. This one is very sharp, tons of details and no noise. Well, and a little bit of photos from Zoom, DAX, and it's all blurry. The question is, how does it compare to any other flagship? Well, I will make a separate video comparing to Vivo. This is night. And at night, well, okay, there was a lot of artificial light, but still really, really nice. Let's see night video. Not great, but nice.
Conclusion, apologies again for the audio during the screen recording. I'm not sure what happened, why it's so bad. I thought the Music Pro and the microphones in the Sony smartphone should be a bit better. I mean, in the camera app was great, but the screen recording, what happened there? It's also my fault, I should bring the separate microphone. Anyway, the quality itself. Well, on this channel we had most of the flagships, and this smartphone feels like a pro in the different brands, not the ultimate experience. It's very close, maybe even similar to the OnePlus 12, which is quarter of the price, link in the description. Quarter of the price. So for me, I bought this smartphone with hard-earned money. It's goddamn expensive. I don't know, but it feels nice in the hand. And I love that the auto mode is now usable. How quick it is? Well, dedicated shutter button, pretty cool, but sometimes it's quick, sometimes it's not quick. I mean, it's okay, I guess, it's okay. Cool for photos, for video. That's all I have. Thanks for watching and see you next video. Bye.